Imagine one of the world's largest automakers, Ford, suddenly deciding to halve the production of its all-electric F-150 Lightning pickup. Intriguing, isn't it? Yes, you heard it right. Ford is planning to slash the production of this revolutionary pickup by nearly half next year. As per the new production blueprint, Ford will roll out around 1,600 F-150 Lightnings per week, a significant drop from the previous target of roughly 3,200 per week. But why such a drastic move? Let's dive into the whys and wherefores of this decision. You might wonder, why would Ford take such a step? Well, the reasons might surprise you. You see, the decision is deeply rooted in the ever-changing landscape of market demand. It's like a dance, where Ford is trying to match their production with the rhythm of customer demand. It's not about leading or following, but rather about moving in sync. And this, my friends, is a dance that Ford executives are determined to master. To do this, they're making bold decisions like canceling or postponing upcoming electric vehicle investments. It's a delicate balancing act, but one that is necessary in today's volatile market. So, it's all about being in tune with the market. But what does this mean for the electric vehicle industry? Every decision has a ripple effect, and Ford's decision is no exception. Imagine a pebble being dropped in a still pond. The ripples spread out, touching every part of the surface. In much the same way, Ford's decision to cut production of the all-electric F-150 Lightning pickup by roughly half reverberates through the entire electric vehicle industry. But here's a twist in our tale. Despite this cut, sales of the F-150 Lightning have been surging. In fact, a monthly record of approximately 4,400 of these vehicles found new homes in November alone. A clear signal that customer demand for electric vehicles, particularly the F-150 Lightning, remains strong. So as we see, even amidst production cuts, the demand for electric vehicles is on the rise. What does this tell us about the future of electric vehicles? Stay tuned to find out in our upcoming videos.